Hello guys, so today I will tell you a really good way to farm candy canes. I know, and I will tell you why I haven't been uploading my videos lately because I actually lost my account's password, so I was not able to enter it for a while. Then I recovered it, that's why I can play it. So that's why I can record now. So the greatest way to do this to play to get the candy cane is to if you can one shot this in the starting area in the town, then you can easily get the stuff. See now I oh my god, see I am just gonna insta break all of these. And the more you break stuff, the other things will spawn. So mostly if you break all of the coins, the candy cane will come. And if someone is trying to get all of the candy canes, you can do it faster, take away faster than him. That will be so you don't lose all of your things. And I will just show you after doing this method. For personally me, this is the best method. Sometimes it can get boring for me because I'm not that big of a grinder. So see, this is my second day using this method and I'm already on 588 candy canes in the 4th quest to get this. It's really OP, and if you have a private server, it's way better because no one can try to steal it. I was just seeing on the YouTube a video that completing the quest. So then he was doing not this, he was going like that. Then at the I'm such a bad explainer. At the alien forest, he went to the alien forest. Then he was breaking all of the coins, but it is way harder to do it, and it will only give you more stuff. Like if you break this, you can see over here, it's hardly gave me 2000, not even 2000. So in the alien forest, it with boosts on it gives you 150,000. And you can use coin, and you can use the loot bag glitch for getting loot bags for the 20 million quest. I think that's the third quest to get 20 million gingerbread. So yeah, this is how to do it. So I thought that instead of the last area, we should use this area because it's much better. You can insta break all of these things like this. So yeah, this is personally the best method for me. If any of you have way better methods, then just please tell me. I will also tell you how to get the loot bag glitch. It should be less than 100 million. Let me just get all of these candy canes, then I will show you how to do it. Because I wanna get this because I am a free to play player for now, at least until I don't have Robux. Okay. Teleport. So there are two at least I know one of the places, it's the haunted area, haunted island, and it's this area in the fantasy world. You need pets below 100, and you can give them enchant so they do faster and give bonus stuff. I personally use these golden cyber foxes, and then you can just it's like a AFK grinding. Wait, is it on ascending? Yeah, I will just put it on all. Also remember to put it on single so you can like insta tap in the best method to get candy cane. Oh yeah, I forgot. I am using to grind this. Not got that. Sorry. And you can see at the start it gives you so many loot bags. And also if you are stuck in the fantasy world, then you can use this method also for getting a lot of fantasy coins. But I won't use this method for getting fantasy coins. It is really slow. But if you are if you want to grind stuff, then this is a really good method for grinding at least fantasy coins and the gingerbread coins. Okay, I know this is a short video, but thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and see my other friends channel's name. Thank you. Wait. Yeah, thank you. See ya.